Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, how you doing today? Well, hope your day's going better than mine's been going the last few days. Well, I have two bad news and one good news, you know, and you have to stick around to find out what they are after this intro. But man, it's been a rough couple days. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. So boring last 2 days. Yes, it was miserable. Don't hug your employees unless they're your family. Yeah, it was miserable. Like, I had no one to talk to.
I struggled to wake up this morning.
Well, you're usually here like about 10:02, and it was 8 o'clock when you rolled in. I'm like, yeah, she's moving slow today. How was your vacation?
It was good. Saw a lot of waterfalls.
A lot of waterfalls.
I jumped off a 40-foot cliff.
Did you?
Yeah, that was fun. And then I jumped off a 35-foot cliff, so it was fun.
Did your mom do it?
No.
Oh, I thought she said
She couldn't even look over the edge.
No.
And then we went, I think it was like 15 feet, maybe 20 feet. She jumped off that one.
Oh.
That was on the Lake Superior.
You guys had fun though?
Mm-hmm.
That's what matters.
It was nice.
Good bonding, family bonding.
The car ride wasn't very fun.
Oh no, they never are. Well, Lawn Dogs, it's gonna be one of those days. We skipped 2 yards, did the 3rd yard. Now we're at the 4th yard, and the PTO won't engage. So now I gotta figure out what the heck's going on with that. Go switch out mowers. See if I can't get this one fixed so I ain't gotta pay to take it in the shop. I'm hoping the switch just came off, or just, you know, the PTO switch just came loose. Worked fine yesterday. Don't know what the deal is. I blame Morgan because she's back from her vacation.
I'll take blame.
Huh?
I'll take blame for it.
Take the blame.
Or we could just blame Gabe.
Just what?
Blame Gabe.
We'll blame Gabe. Thanks, Gabe.
Thanks.
Oh. Well, I'll get some footage for you guys. We'll see what's going on with this thing. It's not working. I'm gonna take this off to see if that came disengaged. Ugh. I'm hoping that's all it was. All it is. $10mm socket.
I can hold on to those.
Hmm?
I can hold on to those.
Oh, it's fine. Throw them in the cup right here. I'm gonna keep that one on there because if I can see it, maybe I can get it without taking it out. Ah, see, that's 12 volt. Holding it in right there. Don't look like it's loose. Let's see. The only reason this won't engage is if it's the seat switch is not engaging or seat sensor. It's a spring. So we didn't find it. So we didn't find it in here, the sensor. So I was thinking, okay, what else? The seat sensor won't let the PTO go. So we started digging out. It seems to be fine under the chair, but this is what we found. This is the cord that comes through, and look how frayed that is right there. So I'm wondering if that is an issue of why it's not running. Either way, even if that's not the issue, I wonder if there's a wire that's split in there. I can't tell, but that's still an issue regardless. So this is something I'm not going to do. I'm going to end up taking it to my dealer real quick and dropping it off and showing them and go from there. Well, this is unfortunate. Just because I don't know, once it goes up into here, the C sensor, I don't know where it goes from there. So we'll let them handle that part. Alrighty. Well, I guess that's what we're doing. So lawn dogs, I got the Kubota loaded up and heading to the dealer to drop it off to get that fixed. But I've come up with a plan. So they have this machine in there, well, at least it was last time I was there, that's similar to the Grandstand that I did mention demoing once. So I'm wondering if I drop this off, if he would let me demo that mower, so I can get back on schedule for today. It's a 60-inch stand-on, so if we get that, I'll let you know. If we don't get it, I'll still let you know. But we'll see what he says. So far, this dealer's been pretty good to me, so I haven't had an issue with him. And you know, this Kubota should still be under warranty, so I should be okay there. But it's just I know I'm gonna lose it for a few days. So, luckily for me though, I have a couple extra mowers. The grandstand's getting fixed too. That was a mechanical error on the boys, but we were educated and we won't do it again. But I should have that back tomorrow or Thursday. I'm hoping tomorrow. If he gets the part today, I'm hoping tomorrow. But I can tell you about that another time, why that's in the shop. So I'm down 2 mowers, but I have 2 mowers as backup, and we'll see what they say here when I drop this off. If I can maybe borrow that one as a demo. I don't know. Be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Yeah. Because my next mower is going to be another stand-up. And I just don't know if I want to do another grandstand or this Kubota one. And I don't know enough details about the Kubota one yet, but it's tough because it's going to be tough to beat the grandstand. So we haven't got the grandstand back. I'm hoping to get it back today. He didn't call me yesterday. You know, when you change out the blades, hand tighten those bolts up. My guys used the impact, and I think when they put it in, they didn't have it threaded right. When they used the impact, it threaded itself up there incorrectly. That's why we have to change out that whole gear or whatever that is. But the Kubota we do have back now. What broke on that was the PTO gear thing in the back. I'll show it to you here in a minute. Apparently the bolt fell out and it shifted and fell. I don't know. It shouldn't have done it. It was all warranted, so it didn't cost me a thing. But it's weird. I don't know if when they put that bolt in there, they Loctited it or not. I know they did when they fixed it, but I don't know if it was at the manufacturer. So they're gonna push it up, report it up. The dealership is, and let the Kubota know what happened. Well, here's what broke. So hey, so you can see it's been a rough couple days. We did, you know, the good news is we got Morgan back. So excited, get someone to talk to, and we got more news coming down in a week or two. I don't know. I'll let you know. You have to keep watching. Hey, speaking of that, subscribe and hit the bell, and you know, share this out, tell your friends, because we got a lot more stuff coming down the pipeline here. Also, Mowers for Vets updates are all done on this channel. So lawn dogs, as you can see, I got them both back, the grandstand and the Kubota. Let me show you what broke on here. Underneath the grandstand, see this bolt right here? It came out. It fell out. This whole thing fell down. And then it kind of bent it, so they had to replace that. So I don't know why that bolt fell out. Something I'm going to keep an eye on from now on. Part of my daily checks, like the oil and all that. So yeah, we're going to change the oil on this too. And I gotta get some tires. But yeah, that's what broke on the Kubota. The grandstand was the well, the blade thing. I don't know, you know, the blade thing. Anyway, the bolt that holds the blade in was stripped out, so we had to replace that whole thing. So that was on us though. Anywho, we're back in action full time. Pretty much solo next week. We got Morgan for half days and solo the rest of the day. But whew, let's do this. Hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Float them out.